Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue with Assetto Corsa. You got an error of failed to connect, handshake failed. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. Here right now you have a very simple fix. Go ahead and first of all you need to launch your content manager. Now from the left pane, click on the option drive. Wherever you are, just scroll down and until you find the option of player's name. Now here you need to check mark this particular option, online name. And from here under the player you need to provide a name that is completely unique, because the player default name is not a unique name. So give it any name, like I'll give it Lotus 55223344, so that make sure I have entered this 9 numeric values, because I have to make sure that the name must be unique. After typing in the name, select this particular name, copy, and in the name also you need to paste the same name as it is over here. Once you've done so, go ahead and try to launch the game, and hopefully this will fix out the issue. If this also failed, simply head over to the Discord server of the game, which will be available right in this content manager. After opening the Discord server, from the left pane click on the option whitelist verify, and then click on the option start Steam ID verification. Then it will ask you to enter your Steam ID. So to find your Steam ID, you need to launch your Steam, click on the Steam and click on the option settings. Now click on the option account details. Right over here, here is your Steam ID. Copy this particular Steam ID from your Steam and then paste right over here, and this will verify the Steam. After entering the Steam ID, simply click on the option submit. After submitting it, again from the left pane, click on the option requirement, and then you will find a link that you need to download any kind of DLCs. So go ahead, click on the link to download the DLC, and this will completely fix out the issue of Assetto Corsa failed to connect, handshake failed. So as of now, this is all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.